Hey guys, Automotive Point Man, Michael Bain touching base with you guys, and we're back again today to specifically talk about all things automatic starters that come specifically with Chevrolet vehicles. So just so we're on the same page, when it comes factory installed, it's going to look a lot like this, or small variations. The biggest thing I want to point out is the arrow loop that you see, second one down there. Specifically how that works to engage your automatic starter on your vehicle. So allow me to demonstrate. Lock button twice, sound of the car. Then we're going to hold the loop to turn the car on just like that. Now let's say we turned it on from the house and we decided that we weren't going to go out. It's as simple as holding the loop again, the car turns right off. Now, something to keep in mind with the automatic starter specifically. Let's say we lock it, we engage it, car turns on. Change your mind, not going out, doing something else. Hold that automatic starter again, the loop, turns it off. Double lock again. 1, 2, arrow here. Car will turn back on. Now, the second time we did it, when you go ahead and attempt it the third time, it will not turn on. Now the reason for that being a safety measure of just in case you're accidentally hitting it, maybe it's in your pocket, maybe a child's playing with it, or an adult's playing with it and they shouldn't be. And if that's the case, you'd actually have to go out to the vehicle and turn it on like you normally would. In this case, unlock the door, push button start, engage the gear and drive away. So just a little food for thought for you guys, so you're not caught off guard. If one day you realize that your automatic starter is not working, try that. Chances are that'll probably fix a lot of the issues. All right, guys, this is Automotive Point Man, and this was how to use your automatic starter through GM Chevrolet specifically. Signing off.